Hello everyone. In this lecture, we are going to solve this given problem. If 9 raised to the power x times 3 raised to the power y equal to 3 times 3 under root and 4 raised to the power y equal to 1 over 8 times 2 under root raised to the power x plus 2, then find the value of 5 raised to the power x plus y, where x and y belongs to set of real numbers. So we have to find the value of x and y. So we will solve these two equations and find the value of x and y from these two given equations. So let us solve this first problem. So this 9 raised to the power x, if I write 3 under root raised to the power 4, because 3 under root raised to the power 4 equal to 9 times x times this 3, if I write 3 under root raised to the power 2 times y equal to, if I move this 3 inside the square root, so this will be 3 times 3, make a pair, so times this 3 under root. So bases are same, you can add the exponent. So this is further equal to 3 under root raised to the power 4x plus 2y equal to this 3 times 3 times 3 under root. If I write 3 under root times 3 under root times 3 under root. So in the next step, this is 3 under root raised to the power 4x plus 2y equal to 3 under root raised to the power 3. So bases are same, you can equate the exponent. So this implies that 4x plus 2y equal to 3. So mark this equation number 1. Now solve this second equation. This 4, if I write 2 under root raised to the power 4, because 2 under root raised to the power 4 equal to 4 times y equal to 1 over this 8, if I write 2 under root raised to the power 6, because 2 under root raised to the power 6 is equal to 8 times 2 under root raised to the power x plus 2. So in the next step, 2 under root raised to the power 4y equal to 1 over, bases are same, so you can add the exponent. So this is 2 under root x plus 2 plus 6. So in the next step, this is 2 under root raised to the power 4y equal to 1 over 2 under root x plus 2 plus 6. 2 plus 6 is 8. So this is x plus 8. So in the next step, this is 2 under root raised to the power 4y equal to 2 under root raised to the power minus x plus 8. You know the property of the exponent. So bases are same, so you can equate the exponent. So this is 4y equal to minus x, open this bracket, minus 8. So this implies that x plus 4y equal to minus 8. So mark this equation number 2. So we got two equations. Equation number 1 when we solve this equation number 2 from this equation. So 4x plus 2y equal to 3, equation number 1. X plus 4y equal to minus 8, equation number 2. We got two simultaneous equations. We have to find the value of x and y. So multiply this equation number 2 with 4. So this is 4x plus 4 times 4, 16y equal to minus 4 times 8 is 32. We will subtract. When we subtract, we change the sign. 4x cancel with 4x. So this is minus 16y plus 2y. This is minus 14y equal to 32 plus 3. This is 35. So this implies that y is equal to 35 over minus 14. So remove the common factor. 7 times 2, 14. 7 times 5, 35. So y is equal to minus 5 over 2. We got value of y. So put this value of y in equation number 2 to find the value of x. So this is x plus 4. Y is minus 5 over 2 equal to minus 8. So 2 cancel with 4. So this is 2 times 2 is 4. So x, this minus sign, multiply 2 with 5. So this is minus 10 equal to minus 8. X equal to minus 8 plus 10. So x equal to 2. We got two values, x equal to 2, y equal to minus 5 over 2. So let us find the value of x plus y. So this is x equal to 2 minus 5 over 2. So this is 2 LCM. 2 times 2, 4 minus 5. X plus y equal to minus 1 over 2. So value of 5 raised to the power x plus y, 5 raised to the power x plus y equal to 5 raised to the power minus 1 over 2. So 5 raised to the power x plus y equal to 1 over 5 raised to the power 1 over 2. So 5 raised to the power x plus y equal to 1 over 5 under root. So this is my final answer. I hope you like this video. Thanks for watching.